So what you're going to do first is determine how things are moving. So you determine how things are moving this way. You look at the first one and you say, how did it go from 0 to 1? How did it change? It went from 3 to 6. So this is the change. It went from 3 to 6. So it had to multiply by 2 to get there. So I know everything is changing by 2. It's multiplying by 2. So here, it's multiplying by 2. Here, it's multiplying by 2. All the changes are multiplying by 2. I use the first one to figure out how it's changing. Now, I'm going to do something with you that I didn't do with everyone else. So we know we started at 3. Started at 3. Then we multiplied it by 2 each time. So now I'm going to write it in red. The red thing is where we're going to. So we're trying to get to 7. That's our formula. We start at 3, so this is our starting point. This is where we start. This is the change. This is how we're changing. And this is what we want to know. So let's say what we want. So we have this information. All we have to do is put this in Desmos. So all we have to do is put this in Desmos. And so I'm going to close this. So I'm going to go to Desmos. And I'm going to say, I know I'm starting at 3. And it's times. How did it change? It changed by 2. And then to get to that power thing, you can do it this way. I'm just going to do it this way. And say, okay, I want to go to 7. And that's the number it gave me. Now I'm going to look. Is that correct? I'm all over the place, aren't I? We're at 384. That's where I got to. Does that make sense?